How to remove recently played from a Spotify. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So to remove recently played from a Spotify, firstly open your Spotify app and then click on settings here in the top right corner. Then you come to this page. Here you have to scroll down to the social tab and you have to find the social tab here and you can see it here. So what you need to do is you can see the private session and listening activity. So to remove recently played or stop tracking the recently played, simply toggle on the private session, and what it will do is it will stop tracking of the recently played. And the second thing you can do is you can see the listening activity, and you can also toggle off this, so the listening activity is not your the tracking. So that's it, that how you can do this. After doing these two settings, you have to go back to your home screen and then open your device settings, and then here you have to scroll down to the apps, click on the apps and then go to the manage apps, and in the search tab you have to search for the Spotify like this, and click on the Spotify. After that you can see the storage, click on the storage, and here you can see the clear data in the most bottom, click on the clear data, and here you can see the first option, clear all data, click on the clear all data and then click on the OK. And what it will do is it will remove recently played with your delete data. So that's it, that how you can do this. So you can do this process to remove the recently played. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.